How to fix Redmi Note 13 Bluetooth not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, you can see the option Bluetooth. Now click on Bluetooth. Now here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turning on or off your Bluetooth, then go back and scroll down and click on apps. And here you can see the option manage apps. Now click on it and then search here Bluetooth and then click on storage. Now here you can clear your Bluetooth storage. After clear your Bluetooth storage, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time, like that, and swipe up to power off your device and then turn it on again. After that, then open settings again and then scroll down and click on battery and then click on current mode. If you select battery saver or ultra battery saver, then select balance. After that, go back and then click on additional settings. In additional settings, scroll down and here you can see the option reset. So you go back and then click on more connectivity option. Now here you can see the option reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now click on it and then reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.